Good morning, guys! Good morning, good morning! Happy New Year, everyone! Ayan, guys, I just woke up and my face is so haggard. Ayan, guys. Ayan, yesterday, guys, 4 a.m. na ako nakatulog, guys, because of our neighbors. Talagang magdamagan ng kantahan, guys. Magdamagan ng kantahan. So, ayan, guys, nagutom ako bigla. Kaya naman meron tayong cake dito, guys. Cake dito, one of my favorite. Ayan, ito na lang yung natira sa aming cake, guys. Actually, nung Pasko pa to, guys, hindi na ako bumili, guys. Kasi wala na akong budget pambili. Kaya naman, ayan. Ito yung aking breakfast ngayon, guys. Ayan, let's eat the chocolate cake. So yummy. Ang sarap ng kanyang guys. Yung kanyang what we call this, yung kanyang icing na, guys, ang sarap. Mo yung kanyang chocolates. Ayan, tingnan nyo, guys. So yummy. Kain tayo. I hope this year 2025, guys, ayan, I hope more blessings to come in our life, guys. Sana more blessing, good health always, and sana ma-monetize na ako dito, guys, sa aking YD channel. I hope you like my videos, guys. Watch my videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ayan. Because I need 1,000 subscriber. Sarap. Sarap ng cake, guys. I really love it. One of my favorite. And we have a juice here. I have a juice here, guys. So yummy. A simple life, guys. Ayan. Simple life of mine. I hope someday I can go to the place that I want to visit, guys, like Japan. I hope I can go there soon. So, ayan, so that's it for today, guys. Ayan, malapit ko maubos yung cake. Ayan, yummy, super yummy, guys, just like me. Ayan. So, later ko naman to siya kakainin, guys. After my dinner, may panghimagas. O, diba? Ito na lang natira, guys. Konting-konti na lang. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my video.